Excel. Hallo. Hallo. Excel. Hallo. Excel.
Nein, der Jägermann.
She's the right one. Excel, you want her? That's all nonsense there.
Look, she's a young girl. You deserve this. You deserve this right now. Wait. You can't go after a young girl. She's just 14 years old. Is it okay for me to speak with your young sister?
My young
with your young sister.
My young sister?
Yes.
Who, you?
Yeah. We are very sick and tired of teachers abusing our young sisters. In your community, take this red card and show them to stay. We are sick and tired of this kind of behavior. No, I don't think you're right, Londo, because you don't
Definitely start showing it, and it's very powerful. You know, it's very powerful and it's very smart. Like I was telling one of the other guys, it's a very smart initiative. And as he was also saying, you know, you guys got a way to get the people's attention, you know, and they reacted for a change. Because usually they just let it pass by, but they actually also wanted to like beat the living daylights out of the other guy for doing what he was doing.
Like from our point of view, like I'll even go like further from this point, like go and teach some other guys, you know, like my friends, what we are doing is wrong. You see, like even you, like go and share with somebody else.
Unomnikana red card. Here is the red card. Here is the red card for you. You know about red card, Mama? Okay, Mama, I'll just briefly explain for you. You see, Mama, if you see someone doing something wrong, maybe in your community, in the taxi rank, or else here, Mama, you give that person a red card like in the field, Mama. You see, it's like, I'll just read this line for you, like, for example, having sex with someone underage. You see a person doing that.
Okay, to help the community.
To help the community. That's it,
Yeah. I give this to my husband because he drinks too much. I want to give him the red card. If you chase guppy around, and then I must give you the red card. Yeah, you must listen. Because I'm sick and tired of talking police and all that. Let me give you a red card.
Alcohol.